Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hear the words of my soul and how I think. And if you can, say amen. To you, my Lord, the liquid gold of my soul. You delivered me from the pain when I called your name. You are my constant friend, with me in life's fiery furnace. The depths of your goodness I'm still learning. In you, my good shepherd, I shall not want. You supply all my needs. On your faithfulness I feed. You regulate my mind, opening my understanding to the divine. To know your higher thought and in your higher ways to walk. I love you, Lord God of the universe, the liquid gold in my soul. If you can, say amen and listen again.